Hi, Angela Meyer here with encouragement on your journey of surrender, transformation, and hope. I'm a little bit claustrophobic, and so I really like to stay away from those closed-in spaces. But when I was at a summer camp after my senior year in high school, I allowed some of my fellow campers to talk me into crawling into a cave on my hands and knees, and then after a little ways down the tunnel, I had to do the army crawl through a space that was longer than I am tall, and then there was a drop off of about 2 feet or so into a closed-in room at the back of the cave. And of course this was supposed to be fun for everyone, but for me, not so much. And so as quick as I could, I talked somebody into going with me, and we headed back out of the cave. And I remember a couple of guys stopping in front of me to chat a little bit, and I'm sitting here kind of going crazy. And finally they moved on, and then I saw the light at the opening, and I kept crawling towards it because I knew if I kept crawling towards it I would get out of there, and of course I did. But that picture is good for me when I run into the hard things in life. We all have those times in relationships, in provision, in spiritual battles, and it is so important to keep our eyes on the light, on Jesus, because He has promised to walk with us through those times and to deliver us. And because of that hope, we know that there is going to be a better day. Be sure and stop by my website, www.angeladmeyer.com. I sure would like to get to know you better. See you around.